Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI, and I want to share with you a skincare product I use very often in my skincare routine, and that is this Aveeno Eczema Therapy Lotion. So I am definitely prone to eczema, and I have found that with continual use of this product, it really does help calm down my eczema flare-ups or make them less frequent. So the consistency is great. It's not super thick and it's not really thin. It absorbs into your skin really quickly, doesn't feel greasy at all, completely steroid free. The nice thing about this is it's got oatmeal in it, which is incredibly soothing for your skin and why it's so great for anyone like me that is prone to eczema. So if you are in the same boat as me, I would give this a try because it has proven to help me and hopefully it will help you too. And that's my point of view.